You want it, I want it, she want it, so come get it. We forget, no regret.
And at 190 pounds, Rikushi! Singles championship in WWE.
This is the biggest match of his entire career thus far.
A little sweaty, a little sticky, try a little shake.
Only problem is against this man.
And his opponent from Huntington Beach, California.
Samoa Joe as well, really looking to prove to the world.
Ricochet some respect here tonight.
A lot of for the grand stage of WWE.
Overcome someone like Samoa Joe tonight. Look at his mind just working right now.
And he's got an attitude as relinquished the championship due to injury.
So the interaction between these two. Boom! That's what
Samoa Joe and Joe, though. Look at Ricochet. Ability, quickness, and balance as he's into the corner. And Ricochet
in his own right. And boom!
Oh, and driving.
The complexion of this matchup right around.
Well, Joe's just
me, but this is where Samoa Joe is off show. The one thing that stood out to me about almost starry-eyed at times.
Allowing it to go to cover by Joe. Hook of the leg.
You while he's at it.
You know, when landing, boom, Ricochet. Remorseless, heartless. Samoa Joe is about being champion. That'll back. Cover, stacking him up as Joe and championship. Oh, what? Whipped into the corner. Joe fouls it up. Boom! And there it is. That's Timber on the challenger. Hooks the leg and Ricochet.
Greatest boom of all. Joe is well on his way. The man grinding down all of his body.
The man like Samoa Joe.
For most of the other competitors.
Wriggle out of this situation. Oh, my power bomb. Cover. And a
Ricochet, and I'm not entirely convinced Ricochet.
Shark in the water. And Ricochet, though, climb back into this match. Uphill battle. Another. Ricochet lands at his feet. And a step up inside.
Another look at this.
Watch this.
This is the trademark.
Point of the boot. Boom, right on the ear.
Samoa Joe balancing.
Joe's rock.
Keeping his foot on the gas.
Joe's. Right to the mid. Ricochet top rope. Joe knocked.
Here comes another chance.
The challenger launching himself. Joe, he has no idea where he's at. Ricochet launching himself. Missile off the second rope. Spurt the midsection of Ricochet. Cover now on Joe. Kick at it.
And just keeping the pressure on. Samoa Joe's equilibrium very obviously comparable.
And just like that, what a power. Hooks the leg and wraps the head and a kick. Dissect the challenger.
Listen, I'll give all of it his best effort.
Ricochet to his knees.
Not today, Joe. Gotcha.
Ricochet went for the full Nelson day. Not over by the champ. It's over. Hook of the leg. Ricochet.
Off of the German suit from the champion. Flipping Ricochet. Some way still in this fight. Joe looking for an arm triangle there. Ricochet able to.
After the boot to the knee earlier on in this, to the ear earlier on in the match. They thud. And now Samoa Joe somehow break this smart move by Ricochet to get into the ropes. Top rope. Lands at his feet.
Ricochet was able to get his feet underneath him.
And then the double.
If he hits it, we got a new champion.
Hook of the leg. Ricochet wins the United States Championship. Ricochet. His United States champion.
Ricochet said he wanted to etch his
United States champion.
What an
champion at the time was able to manhandle, but in the end, this incredible 630 split straight down to Joe's mid, propelling Ricochet to his first championship.
In that, I'm going to teach you about respect tonight, Ricochet. I guarantee you, Ricochet earned at the crowning moment of the high flyer.
All of the wind driven out of Joe's body to its feet. All of the miles around the globe.
I love you. I love you, Ricky.
Thank you guys so much.